Hi there, welcome. I'm just popping in for this quick little invitation that I have for you, which is very exciting as we approach 2022. As we near the end of 2021 and approach 2022, Tiina and I are going to be hosting a free restorative yoga immersion on the channel, as well as yoga nidra. So there will be yoga nidra for the new year. We're going to dive into the waxing crescent phase of the new moon as the new year arrives, and dive into intention setting, a little bit into Sankalpa and what is it, and of course some really restorative, beautiful, restful practices between myself and Tiina over 5 days. So a 5-day immersion with a little bonus yoga nidra to begin the new year. And you can sign up in the link below if you'd like to be a part of this. I will also create a playlist on my channel, so I'll link that at the end. And there's a couple of little things that you might need to participate in restorative yoga aspects of this moon-to-moon restorative immersion for the waxing crescent phase. And that really is mostly to do with restorative props. So what I'm going to do is link to a video after this with a video with Tiina where she can teach you a little bit more about restorative yoga props and things that you can use from your own home. So if you don't have restorative yoga props, don't worry, you can still join in. And I highly suggest that you do, because if you love yoga nidra, if you love meditation, if you love ways to deeply relax and restore the body, or if you're just excited about calling in an intention or a Sankalpa for the year of 2022, you are going to really love and appreciate this little immersion that we'll be going through as a community together. And thousands of people join these immersions, so there's a collective energy that takes place, which is really beautiful as well. So I'll link to that video, as well as below I'll link to, if you'd like to get any restorative yoga props, I have a discount code for you for both Bee Yoga and Half Moon yoga props. So we'll be using things like bolsters, blankets, blocks, yoga mats, pretty much the usual things for restorative yoga, and also eye coverings and things like that, which again are things that you may already have, or have things in your home that Tiina will show you how to use. Okay, so please leave me a comment below if you're planning on joining us this new year in the Waxing Crescent Moon to Moon immersion. Many of you joined our last couple of immersions, and we've just been getting such beautiful feedback from the shifts, the absolutely massive shifts that can take place in the nervous system, in the energy, in the state of being that people revitalize. There's a vitality that's restored when we go deep into these restorative practices. So I'm very excited to share these with you, and I hope that you can join us. Okay, I'd love to hear from you below, and don't forget to check out the playlist, which I'll share here.